On the morning of December 1st, 2024, at approximately 8:46 a.m., officers with the St. Charles Police Department were dispatched to a disturbing and urgent call at a senior living community located at 975 North 5th Avenue in St. Charles, Illinois. Reports indicated that a man was inside the facility wielding a chainsaw, creating a dangerous and chaotic situation for residents and staff. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the body-worn camera footage captured by a responding St. Charles Police Department officer, documenting the moment officers arrived, assessed the threat, and ultimately confronted the suspect. This footage provides a real-time look at the tense and rapidly developing events that led to an officer-involved shooting as police work to protect the seniors and secure the scene. Let's take a closer look at how this incident unfolded.
Hello?
Hi, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree.
He went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
1358. Hello. Tell me to send a log out to someone else. Just hold it for now. Just hold it.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me. I can't.
10-4.
He went that way.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up? Hey!
Inconvenience.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground.
Attention B1 units there. Someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it.
Drop it.
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
Yes.
Step it up.
I need him, not my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want.
Listen, man.
I don't want to.
Taser the blood. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here.
1328.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit! Oh, you gotta do. Oh!
Shots fired!
Attention all Irish units. Riverland St. Charles.
Drop it!
Of Northwest Avenue.
Get him over. Get him over.
Attention all Irish units. Riverland St. Charles. 945 block of Northwest Avenue. 945 North Avenue, St. Charles. Attention all Irish units. Special attention St. Charles units. Tricom dispatching shots fired at 905 Northwest Avenue, Riverland St. Charles. Responding as acknowledged